We start with daily chart. I want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this correction, and this is what we get. And we mentioned if there is a continuation, we can expect the price drop to 8.7. Anyway, as we can see, if we refer to the daily chart, the price broke the previous low. And if we refer to the indicators, we see both of them showing us a divergence. And what we are more interested, because we mentioned if we get the breakout of the correction, any reversal we can look for trade for long term. Anyway, most of the chart they have the similar movement, but we don't see the confirmation for the reversal for Bitcoin. But it doesn't mean we are not going to look for trade. Mostly what we try to look for buy, and if it's moving our direction, we keep the trade. If not, we just try to manage it. And what I'm looking for right now, I'm looking for based on the forward chart. If we get a correction, we can look for trade. The best thing is if we trade based on a lower time frame. That's mean if we move to 1 hour chart, there was opportunity to look for buy from here, and whoever get the trade based on this correction, either take out the trade in the small profit. It depends how they get the trade, or if they can move their stop loss to break even. We are not going to keep the trade without the stop loss. And even if we put our fib here, we see almost the price. It haven't confirmed with the 27%, but almost the price is there. This is what we're looking for the short, and we want to see the breakout of this zone, okay, which is somewhere between 16.77, if I just make it as a exact value, and 16.77 and following by 17.74. We want to see whether the price can break this zone or not, okay. And as I mentioned, whoever get the trade from this correction, move their stop loss to break even if can. If not, take out the trade. Okay. And right now we're looking for this flag. That's mean from now, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade either as a sharp move with the flag or a sharp move with the deeper correction, at least as a flat. Because if we get a deeper correction, we can get the trade within the correction. If we get the flag, the only way is to put our entry above the top. All right, what we do, we try to get the trade for buy. If it's moving our direction, we keep the trade. But if not, we take out the trade. We are not going to keep the trade for long term if it's not moving in our direction. And the reason is we want to see the reversal. Because if the price reverse in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us really good trade setup. And right now, we're looking for this. Still, we can look for one move up. But what I can see here, mostly any trade from now is a we can consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we have to start to manage it. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.